Hello everybody, this is Nerf Reviewer 331 here today, and today's video is going to be an update. That's pretty much it for today, for this video at least. Now you can probably notice, somewhat in this background, I have an Xbox finally again, and I'm going to try and keep my consoles this time instead of selling them or getting rid of them, saying, oh, I don't like this console, it's too garbagey or some shit like that. Sorry, did not mean to curse, that just came right out. I will try to bleep that out if I can. But as far as things go, I am still doing the nerfing thing, and I have bigger plans for it, but I can't mention them because they're still being thought of right now. So I'll tell you what I've been doing for the past 2 months, month and a half. Okay, so what I also realized from the previous video, which turned out to be a drunken live stream, I'm not going to do many of those anymore. Or I might do them, but I'll just do them very rarely, like if I feel like it, kind of thing, or if the time seems appropriate. Now I'm actually going to grab this camera here and just show you around what I have here. Also, this is very cluttersome. I actually am not I don't have clutter all over the place usually. But I just got back from New York yet again, just to visit for 4 days. And I brought pretty much half of my Nerf arsenal that was in New York to here. So, some guns include, oh my god, I gotta really clean this place up. Some include the Double Breach, some of these other guns that I have either modified, which is going to be, for example, the Extreme Bazooka, or what I call the Mini Musket, paintball pistol, that's a must-have. I also brought some of my power tools. Let's get in here. So I brought my Dremel. I brought, oddly enough, my dad's epoxy. Whoops. Sorry, Dad. I have also brought some 3D printer filaments such as ABS red and flexible nylon in the clear, or like, it kind of looks like clear color almost. And I also have this gun yet to review, possibly modify if I feel like it, but then again, I'm not a big fan of modifying electric guns. This, I believe, is the Nerf regulator, I think. It has the select fire here. Comes with all those attachments and shit, stuff. Almost cursed there again. Xbox, Nintendo Switch, big ass flat screen TV. I'll let that one go. And I got my small collection of Xbox games. This is absolutely out of the 4 I picked out of, Infinite Warfare being like the very last one I ever want to play. And this being like the top one I really, really want to play. Kind of goes like this. So, Gears of War I haven't tried out yet. I have tried out Shadow War, but it's kind of more of the third place genre. I have played Infinite Warfare, and it still sucks. Although Zombies is fun, or whatever they use for zombies. Get those two confused, Ghosts or Infinite Warfare, but I do like some of the multiplayer stuff, but it's still pretty crappy in my opinion. The campaign's not really that fun at all. More tedious than anything else. So from the very left would be I would play this all day, to the very last where I would just say it's more of a cup holder than anything else, or a coaster even. So, getting back to what I was saying before about what I really need to update is this Nerf channel of mine. Also, I got a professional office chair. I love it. And I am still in the Nerfing game. I still want to make Nerf videos. The problem is, well, first of all, you can probably tell from the sound quality of this camera that I'm using. Yes, I have my HD Hero 3 Plus, but this is a new camcorder or a new action camera I wanted to test out. It's called the, what is that? The Campark Extreme 1 Plus UHD 4K or something like that. And basically it just has 4K capabilities, but it still needs improvement. Aside from that, everything else seems to be pretty much fine with that camera. It still records decent quality. I don't know about audio as much, but I'll wait and see. Now, as far as I'm trying to explain, but I'm having a hard time sticking with it. I guess sticking with the topic is I have, I think, 1 or 2 other Nerf guns aside from that one that I have to review. And I also got some new Race Squad darts, but they're different variants. They're the, they look like orange streamlines, not the Nerf Elite darts. Same color, same design and everything, but it's or maybe a different design, but with the same color scheme as the orange streamlines. And I have yet to review those. I have test fired them with the regulator, and they were great as far as like dart performance goes. And that's pretty much it. Now, as far as me being gone for about a month or 2, I am still trying to figure out what my niche is in life, and I'm still struggling. Regardless, I will keep updating this channel as much as I can. Also, one last thing. You could probably see my shallow silhouette or whatever, but my Mac is currently broken. This screen doesn't really function at all. The keyboard still works. So if I typed in my password, it's hard to do it while I have one hand on this and one hand on that. Blingo. So, keyboard still works, but the screen's completely screwed up. But I decided to get an LCD monitor just for the MacBook, because since the MacBook, long story short, don't put water on the screen to try and clean it. It doesn't work. And you have the possibility of screwing up your screen too. I mean, that looks awful. That looks better. Awful, better. Alright. So long story short, I am still doing Nerfing. It's just, I've been very busy. Also, if you're wondering how far away it is, for some of these random people who will ask, how far away is your dad's house and how far away is your mom's house, like distance? Well, think of it this way. If I have a Subaru Outback, I think the latest year of 2017, because I'm sick and tired of buying these crappy cars that have literally nothing good on them, not even good mileage or total mileage, or the gas sucks. Like gas, what am I trying to say? The miles per gallon, like it's like most I've ever gotten out of a used car was like 19 to 26. 19 being city, and then 26 being highways. And the Subaru Outback 2017 is amazing. Now, as far as getting from one place to the other, what I was trying to say was if we did like either from dads to moms or moms to dads, whichever one you want to choose, it's roughly the same distance. It's about 432 miles one way, and then double it if you want to go there and come back. So you're probably looking at about 864 miles. I think my number's right. I'm not entirely sure, but I think my number's right. If you were to double 432 miles, like plus itself, so to speak. But yeah, so just a one-way trip is 6.5 hours without stops. So that's it's about 8 to 9 hours with stops, because I have to take like a good 10-minute break, stretch my legs, and then get back on the highway. But enough of that. I hope you guys understood the video. Hope you guys. There's nothing really to enjoy here. I mean, I'm just talking and rambling on for like 10 minutes straight. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Regardless, understood the video. Hope you guys have a great day, night, life, and everything else. And please comment, like, subscribe, whatever you actually feel like doing. See you guys later.